Welcome to Ishar. This is Sharad. Today we are going to see how to install the Gobo glasses to the Gobo projectors. Let's get started. First we will see how to install single Gobo projectors, which means you will have only single glasses. So now we have to unscrew the 4 screws given in front side of the projector. Once we unscrew the 4 screws, we will see the light. Above it, we will have a retainer ring which will hold the glass, and we have a metal ring which will block the extra light coming out of the glass. So we have to take the glass. We always hold the glass side of the glasses, not in center, because it will attract the fingerprints. See the front side of the glass. This is the front side. Place it facing the light. Unscrew 4 screws firmly.
Now we'll see how to install multi-Gobo projectors. The projectors which we have right now.
Now we will unscrew the multi-Gobo projectors. Now we can see 4 slots inside the multi-Gobo projectors. These are magnetized slots. So every Gobo glasses will come with magnetized ring like this. There will be a magnetized ring will be given with the multi-Gobo projectors. Now we will see how to place these Gobos inside the projector. As I said earlier, we have to see the top side of the Gobo glass. So this is the center part of the light. So we can see 4 magnetized ring. It has to be kept straight and aligned. Place it at the bottom of the glass so that while it rotates, and then screw it back.
Now you have learned how to install Gobos. Now start enlightening your events, shops, offices, elevate interior design and exterior design, and even use it as a safety light in factories. Contact link in the description. We'll see you in another video. I'm Sarath. This is C Shark.